This is the engine displacement calculator for bore and stroke, which calculates your engine's total displacement from cylinder dimensions. The calculator has 3 input fields. First is bore diameter in millimeters, where you enter the diameter of each cylinder. Second is stroke length in millimeters, which is the distance the piston travels from top to bottom. Third is number of cylinders, where you input how many cylinders your engine has. Let's run through an example calculation. I'll enter 10 millimeters for the bore diameter, 10 millimeters for the stroke length, and 10 for the number of cylinders. After clicking Calculate Engine Displacement, the calculator provides multiple displacement measurements. The displacement in cc shows 7.9 cubic centimeters, which is the total volume displaced by all cylinders. The displacement in cubic inches displays 0.48 ci for those using imperial measurements. The displacement in liters reads 0.01 L, useful for larger engines. These 3 outputs give you the same displacement value in different units, allowing you to work with whichever measurement system your project requires. This calculator simplifies engine displacement calculations for any cylinder configuration. Find the link in the description below.